today I'm gonna visit my friend June. We're gonna have some really nice lunch and we'll have a nice talk and, you know, have fun. Let's go.
Oh my god, I was just getting up. Come on. You ready? Okay, I'm just gonna hit start stream. I think it's working.
Okay.
Okay, hey guys.
Hi.
This is Natasha and June. We're gonna do like potato air fryer mukbang today.
And it's vegan.
It's vegan. And then how we're gonna do, we just like chop some potatoes and then throw them in here and mix with onion powder, curry, and then pepper and a little bit of hint of ground nutmeg. And I'm gonna, okay.
Can't wait.
Yeah, and I forgot to say, we're gonna have this Yamamoto Yama, like matcha tea with the rice flakes and popcorn in it.
Ganmecha.
Yeah, ganmecha,
Yeah.
actually. And then we got Copenhagen. I got Copenhagen Starbucks mug.
And I got Singapore.
It goes with our green tea.
Yeah.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thanks for inviting. Oh my god, I'm so honored actually.
And then I'm gonna just say hello to in Korean as well, because our mukbang is very international and I'm a Korean person living in America.
Oh really?
오케이. 오늘은 감자를 에어프라이어에 넣어서 튀길 거예요. 그 다음에 카레랑 그 다음에 페퍼, 이거는 그라운드 넛맥이고요. 그 다음에 양파 파우더도 같이 넣어서 이렇게 버무린 다음에 에어프라이어에 넣을 거예요. 그리고 지금 마시는 거는 요거예요. 그린티. 요거 저 펜타운에서 산 거거든요. 같이 마실 거고, 이 친구는 제 친구 나타샤인데, do you want to speak in Russian?
Yeah,
Say hello.
sure.
Okay.
Всем привет. Сегодня мы будем готовить картошку. Меня зовут Наташа, это Джун.
June.
Да. И мы пьем зеленый чай, это ганмэйча с рисом,
Cheers.
с жареным рисом. Да. У меня чашечка Сингапур, у Джуны чашка Копенгаген.
Copenhagen.
Да. И у нас есть разные приправы и картошка.
Okay. So I'm just gonna chop these potatoes.
And I'm gonna watch.
Yeah, so when did you come to the United States, Natasha?
It was like about something around 4 years ago.
4?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Maybe like 4 years and a half. So
Okay.
first we moved to New York.
Okay.
We lived there for about like 2 years.
Oh, okay, New York. Where in New York?
Downtown Brooklyn.
So I just seasoned my potatoes and now I'm gonna throw them into the air fryer. Okay. So meanwhile we're waiting. I have this Mauna Loa macadamia nut with the sriracha flavor. That's from Maui, from my friend. I love Hawaii.
Yeah, how did you like Hawaii?
Oh, I love Hawaii. Hawaii is just so amazing. My ultimate goal, guys, I just wanna earn a lot of money. I go to Hawaii, open my own restaurant. It doesn't have to be a restaurant.
Yeah.
Come on. It can be like cafe or gallery.
Yeah.
Maybe I would invite a couple more artists.
Yeah, maybe
So
you
we can do that
you can
together.
make residences. Like for example, artists can come, you know, for a month and do some projects.
We're gonna have this seaweed snack for now while we're waiting.
My friends like to do that.
That's the seaweed.
Oh,
So good. You know, you can do this like you put this in front of your teeth and then you come like this. Nice. You know?
By the way, I wanted to ask you how what was your way to come into your style that you're working in right now?
I mean, I studied graphic design. I didn't go to fine art school, but I learned like colorisms and color relationships when I was studying visual design, and I was always intrigued and interested in. And then since I become like painting, it also influenced my painting. I mean, a lot of like color complexity and contrast. I use it from my old background, my graphic design background.
Makes sense.
So what is like hello in Russian?
Hello will be здравствуйте.
A strasnoche?
No, здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте?
Yes.
Здравствуйте?
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Yeah. But like hi.
Hi.
Will be привет.
Привет.
Yeah. Привет.
Привет. Привет.
Yeah.
Привет.
Привет.
You know Korean? 안녕.
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 Oh,
안녕.
no, I know. I didn't know.
안녕. Yeah, 안녕 is Korean.
Cool.
Yeah. 안녕.
안녕.
Привет.
Привет.
Привет. 안녕. Can you hear?
Sounds so fun.
Can you hear the sound? So this is how it turned out. Look at this beautiful yellow and brown.
Oh, you're boiled. And really hot.
And
Tell us about your dog.
so she's rescue. She's half Chihuahua and Dachshund.
Oh my god.
They said Chiweenie. That's her breed.
Chiweenie.
Chiweenie. Anyway, she's only 7 months. She's really high maintenance because she had some PTSD. I think she had some like bad experience on the street. I mean, everybody should adopt a dog,
Yeah.
and they have to commit that they'll
My
be the
next
biggest
dog
husband.
will be definitely adopted.
Yeah, it's Naomi. I'm just gonna leave it here because it's so cute.
It is.
And I'm gonna put my cup in on there. Okay. So I'll put my water here. So I'll use it.
You should always use it. Just
Yeah, Miss
put on the
watching.
table.
I'm gonna put on.
Anytime.
Oh my god, it's so cute, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This was my Christmas gift, and this is Naomi. It looks like her.
Okay, yeah.
Anyway, she's gonna bark. She's gonna start to bark again.
She's like, people.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. This is second round air fried potatoes. So my next show is coming up on March 1st. I'm going to show, yes. So I'm painting a lot for that. So I'm gonna show it at Fields Coffee,
Okay.
SF.
And where?
It's in Noi Valley.
Okay. Yeah,
And-
she's gone.
Yeah, and then I also showing in private places. Like I took them down, but I'm gonna show
Okay.
more. And I just had a show with our SF project. It's on Larkin and Sutter. It's in
Okay.
downtown.
Yeah.
I had a show with GIFC.
Okay.
It's like travel exhibition. I submitted 17 pieces, but they were like 9 by 12 inch. Anyway, so I've been busy working.
You're busy all the time.
I know, and I submitted like some
My
work.
show is like this week.
When is it?
It's also in downtown. It's in Tenderloin. It's gonna be a group show. All the artists, they created like a postcard size art. They're gonna hang it on like strings, like photos, you know? Yeah, and people are gonna sell originals, like frames, postcards, everything. And everything is really cute. Yeah, and I'm gonna have like 10 pieces there. 10
Wow.
watercolor pieces. Maybe you saw like the recent works.
This week?
Yeah,
When
this
is it?
weekend.
Oh, this weekend. Oh, let me know. I'll be there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stop by. And then, can you also talk about show your tattoos a little bit?
Oh.
Because I really want to do tattoos, and I mean you have a lot of tattoos.
I do. I
I know.
have a lot of tattoos.
And Natasha is a tattooist. Actually wanted to do mine, but I'm like
Yeah, I
haven't decided
some
yet
are
which one.
like-
So she's got some tattoos here, and then you have some more in the arm. I really like the cat too. Oh, is that? Oh, that's not a cat. What is
no,
it?
these are mushrooms.
I like these,
Yeah.
and I like the cat. Is it cat or your
No, it's
dog?
my dog.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It is. It's from the guy in New York. My
Wow.
dog. He's really good.
So cool.
And I have one here. There's like some flowers, so you can see the stars,
wow.
and it goes in my
That's
shoulder
beautiful.
blade. And I also have like a giant peas in my bag.
Mm-hmm.
Flowers, like Japanese flowers.
So I was like thinking doing like here, maybe two. I was gonna do just the letters for my mom and dad.
Yeah.
If it's like simple letters, it has to be very precise and sophisticated lettering.
Yeah,
here.
for sure.
But
I love lettering.
yeah,
I know
or like a writing form for my mom and dad name.
Yeah.
I haven't really decided, but
No rush. It's a really important decision.
I know that's what you told me, so
Yeah.
I'm taking my time. And
Yeah.
oh, by the way, I love your canvas bag.
I know.
Can I show?
Yeah. I got it in Amsterdam.
This is Natasha's canvas bag. It's almost like pearl. Okay, thanks for watching, and this was my second day doing mukbang, and thank you for coming and showing your tattoos and having food with me, and it was fun, and
It was good.
we'll do again. I mean, we might do something more art related mukbang.
Yeah,
but
so stay really tuned.
she's gonna be my guest, and I'm gonna have like a lot of guests.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my roommates, and I'm gonna have my partner, I'm gonna have my friends and other artists. So I'm gonna interview them, I'm gonna share our tricks and or just talk, you know, with no
Yeah,
really
and
thing
where
or
we can
anything.
follow you, like mostly on Instagram.
Instagram is good. You can find me on Instagram, June Art Shop on Instagram, and then Natasha's. What's your Instagram?
Yeah, you can just go to my website and there are all the social medias there. NatashaTsozik.com.
Okay, Natasha Tsozik. Very
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
And I'm Jun Yang on
Yeah.
my YouTube.
Yeah, and by the way, how do you translate mukbang?
Mukbang is eating show. Basically,
Oh, really?
you're just eating.
Yeah.
But as I said yesterday, I started because sometimes, you know, living in America, I eat alone. In Korea, I have my families and friends. I normally eat together. So I was like searching on YouTube and accidentally found this person eating with me, kind of. And then I really like, it really entertained me. I liked it.
Yeah, like a real person,
So
you know.
I know.
close to-
And I've been watching it, and then I wanted to do it, but I didn't know how to really do it. And you know, yesterday I figured it out.
How
Yay!
it works. You just
I
start and
know.
just do that.
It was
Okay.
I was so happy that oh my god, I figured it out. But anyway,
Yeah, that's how it works.
yeah.
Okay.
So next time, I'll do something. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm gonna eat, but I'll do something.
It'll be a surprise. Right?
Yeah, we'll be surprised.
It'll be
And
fun, though.
thank you to Natasha, and
And thank you, dude.
thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay.
单纯只想我。